Are you going to work? Are you going to work? Yeah? Are you going to work with Daddy?
Yeah.
A baby has to stay here. Huh? Ay, pagluhag dir, kadi ko kaklaro sa now. You going to work? Yeah? Are you going to work? Huh? You stay with mommy? You stay with mommy and play? Unsa ko na?
Ito.
Huh? What happened? Istorya siya. What happened? Where are you going? Are you going to catch broom broom? Are you going ride a broom broom? Yeah. Are you going to work? Are you going to work? Yeah. Going with Daddy? And you say you stay home with mommy. Are you going to work? Huh? You going to work? You going to work?
Baby will just stay mommy, okay? Baby will just go sleep. And daddy will cuddle the baby in the morning. Okay? Okay, good boy man na baby daddy. Lalab man na lang. Lalab.
Ay, sagluhag dad. Be, where are you going? Bye-bye. Bye-bye. You're going to work now?
Bye, mom.
You're going
Bye.
with Daddy? You're going with Daddy?
Bye.